I am Mama Bongi. I work at Amazing Spaces as a cleaner and make food for the girls and everything. Then this business, the chop chip business, it started when I was making it for our clients, Amazing Spaces clients. They loved the cookies, so they said, how can we have more cookies? We want to buy them for our families and what? Julia was like, oh, Mama, I think this is going to be a good thing for you. You can bake the cookies and sell, then you can have extra money. So it started from there. They called me Mama, just to show a respect, Mama Bongi. So it started, everybody calls me Mama, Mama Bongi, Mama. So I'm just used. When you just call me Bongi, I'm like, I feel like, I don't know. Wow, this pandemic, there was a big surprise that we can have a business in this pandemic. But it was a boom. Orders were coming in. We made a lot, of which it was a surprise. We didn't even expect that was going to be like that. What I would like to achieve is to grow the business, to inspire the other people, to make the living, to grow big, and to also help the other people to get also to be employed, to get jobs from the business. Fans and friends, they are amazing. They love me and I also love them. They are so amazing. Like even if I go to the shops or where, I'm recognized. Yeah, it makes my heart beep nice. It makes me happy. When you want to order our cookies, just go to our website, Mama Bongi's Cookies. You'll find it there. Then you press your orders, it will be bombed to you. Love you so much, guys, for your support.